man, just got back from work, turned on my TV, and guess what? Carlos Simit is cooking his famous coconut dumpling.
Hey man, check in people. So I go on there. I get the pot and store in the people. See that whole pot dumpling in the pot in the man. Make it cool and make it good. Put on sauce. Make it go and go down in the people. So.
Man, I wish I could have some right now. But guess what? I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna make my own coconut dumpling right here in my kitchen. And I'm gonna put my own spin on it. Because I know with coconut, anything coconut, you can't go wrong. There is no way you can go wrong with coconut. So I don't have to ask if this dumpling is good or not. I already know. So big up yourself, Color Summit TV, with your team, Kianta, Socks, J-Bud, Papi, Climber, Grand God. Big up on yourself. And you guys are doing a great job. Right at that location there where the sea meets the river. Can't get a better location. And I like the vibe, teamwork and all of that. So teamwork make the dream work. So never lose focus, guys. Take this to the top. And you guys are already going to the top. You all know that. So continue doing what you're doing. And prepare yourself. Because this, whatever you guys doing there, gonna blow up so big. It's already happening. Look at people coming down from all over the world to see you guys. Join you guys there. And eating that coconut dumpling. Wow. Over here, I have 1 pound of all-purpose flour, some spinach, coconut milk is here. Over here, I have a mixture of scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, and some spring onion, some garlic. I'm going to put some turmeric. You will see some salt and other ingredients to spice up my coconut flour. Remember, guys, I am going to put my own spin on this coconut dumpling. Big up yourself, Colors Summit TV. So now I'm adding my salt and my spinach to my flour. So now that my flour is all done, I'm going to put it aside for a few minutes. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Welcome to my channel. Those of you already subscribed and my returning subscribers, thanks a lot. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers. Thanks, guys. Thanks for checking in and thanks for your support. Really means a lot. Also remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification so that you could know when I upload a new video. Guys, look how nice and pretty this is with the spinach popping through. Coconut dumpling inspired by Color Sinit TV.
chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
I get the pot and store it up here. You see that whole heap of dumpling in the pot in the man. Make it good and make it good. Put on sauce.